Thirikari ya Kenya ni igwatite UTETHIO wa dola milioni 450 kuma kiri World Bank mbeca iria ikuregero kurenga njiki urimi nthini. Akira Minister wa URIMI MIBANGO Linturi AUGITE Monkatha ino kwina mibango irikitie kwambirirwa rungu rwa UTETHIO uyo akiuga kwina mirandi ingi iria iri njirani. AUGITE UTETHIO uyu ugatethereria kuthiria yura nthini ino ya Kenya. Boniface Mongera na riboti ino.
Secretariat
na thirikari cia kaunti na ndici titekungunika bunene muno kumana utethiri bwa kimanja kia mbeca kia milioni 450 kuma kiri banki ya Kimanthi Uguru. Mbeca ici iri kurikana ikethiro cia kurukira kiri ministry ya URIMI kuria ikethiro cia itethire mirandi mwanya mwanya ya URIMI kuringana na batu bura kaunti onthe ikethiro ina bu
CPCU
agikujira kurekirwo kwa mbeca ici ministry imejanthirwo ni Kenya Thirikari Linturi na AUGITE ikethiro cia itethire nya gukiria urimi bunene muno cio thirikari Kenya Kwanza ebanganitie
is that one bank has put in $450 million that have really supported the agricultural sector in this country, in the country. The first two projects have been completely implemented, which is the NARIG projects and the KSAP project, meaning there has been 100% absorption from our end.
Kingi na ntuma kumakirimisa Thirikari Linturi no thirikari cia kaunti bethiro bemenyera batikenyangia mbeca ici no ntubathie bubwega kuna mbeca ingi nyingi cira cia barabarene.
As we move forward, the other projects where the bank has also committed another $450 million to support other projects that go towards in meeting our food and nutritional security requirements of this country. And our next phase now is to get to the involvement of beyond 5 million farmers through these projects. And we appreciate that now Kenya having a farmers data of around 6.4 million, then it will be very easy for us to organize ourselves and properly use the data that we have, so that the greater objective that we have as a ministry, with the support of the World Bank, with the county, with the Council of Governors, then we are able to really achieve what our objectives and our plans for.
And I agree that there's a lot of transformation, and we are looking forward to even more collaboration. And I just want to ask other ministries to collaborate with the counties the way the Minister of Agriculture has done, because like I said, there are no national government citizens and county government citizens. Just we all belong to Kenya, and Kenya, every part of Kenya is a county.
80% of our funding in agriculture is coming from the World Bank, and that is not a very sustainable model.
Minister Thirikari Linturi akwareja kirikiko komano kiregi ukario kima vida bane barongiro urimi kire thirikari cia cia county ajante gorone.
We are saying because we want to build the capacity of our farmers to do the right thing in this agriculture sector. We cannot only leave that to the county governments alone. So from the side of national government, we are going to employ 1,450 agricultural extension officers, so that at least we have one agricultural extension officer in every ward in this country.
Report Ranto Sharu TV kumaja kingine kinene kimshusha Nairobi mbita Boniface Mongera.